So first we have the formulae. Introduction, little bit introduction. First formulae. You can see here a continuous beam. All of you know it now. If we have span more than one, we'll say it as a continuous beam. They will take some A. This is B. This is C. Here I'll take L1. Then E1, I1. This is L2, E2, I2. So general formula of theorem of three moments is MA L1 plus 2MB L1 by E1 I1 plus L2 by E2 I2 plus MC L2 E2 I2 is equal to 6 A1 X1 by E1 I1 L1 plus 6 A2 X2 by E2 I2 L2 6 delta 1 by L1. This is sinking delta 1 and 6 delta 2 by L2. This is a general formula for the theorem of three moments. If EI constant, if I take EI constant, EI is constant, then what will happen to this one? This one, everything will go. EI will come this side. So if EI is constant, what will happen? MA L1 2MB L1 plus L2 MC L2 is equal to 6 into A1 X1 by L1 plus A2 X2 by L2 plus 6 EI will come here. EI is constant. EI, then delta 1 by L1 plus delta 2 by L2. Clear? If no sinking is there, if sinking is not there, so this is not the sinking. If sinking is not there, what will happen? No sinking. If no sinking, this term will not be there. So what will happen? MA L1 2MB L1 plus L2 plus MC L2 is equal to 6 into A1 X1 by L1 plus A2 X2 by L2. This is a general formula. Okay, this is a general formula. Now, to find out the A1 X1, some cases are there. I will discuss that cases now. This we already discussed in moment area method. So this is W is there. W is there. If I draw the bending moment here, the shape is like this. Shape is like this. This is L by 2. This is L by 2. This will be WL by 4. WL by 4. A, B. So what is the area of this one? Half into base. Base is L into WL by 4. Then what is X bar? X bar is L by 2 from both sides. L by 2 from both, from A as well as B. So L by 2, because it is symmetric. Because it is symmetric, L by 2. Clear all of you? Now, suppose if it is UDL, if it is UDL, This is UDL, W per meter run. This is L. So our bending moment diagram will be parabola, and this is WL square by 8. You know it already. So this is A, this is B. What is the formula for area here? What is the area? 2 by 3 L into WL square by 8. Then what is X bar? Because it is symmetric. If I symmetric, what is the meaning of symmetric? If I cut at the center, left side, right side will be similar. So therefore it is L by 2 only. It is L by 2. So from both A and B, it is L by 2 only. Then if this is eccentric loading is coming, suppose if eccentric loading is coming, W, say this is A, this is B, this is L. If eccentric loading is coming, this is WAB by L. This is L. So what is the area here? Half into L into WAB by L. Then what is X bar? X bar, remember please, from A and B are different. A and B are different because it is not symmetric. So L plus A by 3, you remember this formula, from A, then L plus B by 3 from B. From A it is here, L plus A by 3, from B, L plus B by 3. Understood? Suppose if you are getting a trapezium, say, a trapezium formula also I will give. There is a chance of getting trapezium sometimes. So trapezium, it is symmetric only. This is say A, this is say B, this is say height is H. What is the formula for A? This is H by 2 A plus B. A plus B. Then X bar is B by 2. B by 2. So when we are going to get this type of problem, when this is W, it is symmetric. It is symmetric. Then so this is W, this is W. H is here, W, whatever the distance here. And this is the case. This is the case. You are going to get the WW. This is trapezium. A is equal to H by 2, A plus B. X bar is equal to B by